like we're gonna show you it's like a First from Walmart, got this nice cube. You got it too. Yep. Then from Showcase,